On behalf of both the Oxford Union, Oxford University Pakistan Society, and I think everyone here, I wanted to say a huge thank you, Imran, for coming today and for giving this hugely inspirational talk. I really think I speak on behalf of everyone here when I say that your thoughts on leadership, on overcoming every single fear that we have, and on standing up for what is right are things that we all need to think about a lot, especially for those of us who are students and are looking towards going perhaps into politics later on. As a small thank you from the union, as a former alumni, you said that this might be the last time that you ever come to visit us. So we wanted to give you a photo of from one of our archives of what the chamber used to look like when Benazir Bhutto was president.
हार जीत अल्लाह के हाथ में, लेकिन मैं आपसे एक चीज चाहता हूं कि आखिरी गेंद तक आपने मुकाबला करना है।